भरना है।
I love the educators. I love the educators. I love the educators. I love the educators.
भरना है।
Wishing you a warm and healthy morning to make your day bright. Have a great day ahead. Good morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope so. You are all fit and fine. I am your science teacher, Zara Ali. Let's start our lesson. Unit number 4, Animals. Topic, Birds. Students, today we are going to learn about birds. Birds. Birds can fly in the sky. परिंदे आसमानों में उड़ते हैं. Let's start our lesson. Our first one bird is parrot. 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 Parrot have a curved beak. Next one, sparrow. 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 Sparrow is the bird who makes their own nest on the tree. Next one, pigeon. Pigeon. Pigeons are the highly intelligent bird. Next one, peacock. 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 Peacock has unique feathers which make them more beautiful. Wow. Next one, eagle. Eagle. Eagle have large hooked beak and eagle have also excellent eyesight. Next one, owl. Owl. Owl is a unique bird. It wake up at night and sleep during daytime. Next one, crow. Crow. The crow are common birds found everywhere. It beak strong and sharp. Wow. Next one, hen. Hen lays an egg. We eat it chicken in the meal. Next one, our exercise. Part of a bird. Bird के हमने parts बताने हैं. I will tell you, students, the parts of a bird. Let's start our exercise. Eye, beak, wing, tail, claw. These are the parts of a bird. Now look at the exercise. Look at the picture. Write the name of these birds. Picture को देखते हुए हमने correct bird पे उसका correct name write करना है. The first one is duck. 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 You can write the duck on the box. Next one, crow. 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 You can write the crow on the box. Crow. And our next one bird is owl. 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 You can write the owl on the line. Next one bird is pigeon. 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 Students, you can write the pigeon on the box. Next one, hen. Hen. You can write the hen on the line. Next one, our exercise. Color the parrot. Color the beak red, wing green, tail green and legs black. Students, आपने parrot की beak red, उसके wings green, tail also green and उसकी legs black color में करनी है. Okay students, this is your homework. Do it carefully. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.